Stop by and take a look at the 2018 LS. The Lexus LS is the largest Lexus sedan available. With extreme comfort for 5 adults, this car will make you feel like you are gliding on a magic carpet while you cruise the open roads. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Only the best pre-owned Lexus vehicles qualify for the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program. Warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection provide you total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program.